Let's talk about anger because let's be real, we all feel it. Anger is a completely normal human emotion. It's actually a built in survival mechanism that helps us respond to threats. Our brain sees danger and boom, our fight, flight, or freeze response kicks in. The problem isn't feeling anger, it's what we do with it. One of the best ways to manage anger is by monitoring it, and that's where the anger meter comes in. Think of it like a scale from 1 to 10, where 1 is just a little bothered and 10 is full on explosive rage. Here's how it breaks down. 1, you're a little annoyed, but it's no big deal. 3, your thoughts are getting negative, maybe spiraling a little bit. 5, your voice is getting louder, maybe you're starting to curse. 7, you're pacing, slamming doors, anger is turning into action. 10, you've lost control, things are getting destructive. Now, here's the trick. If you hit a 3 or higher, that's your signal to intervene. Use coping skills, deep breathing, walking away, grounding techniques, whatever works for you. The goal isn't to never feel anger, it's to keep it from escalating out of control. So next time you feel anger rising, check your anger meter and take action before you hit a 10. Because managing anger isn't about avoiding it, it's about handling it in a way that works for you, not against you.